Ungqongqoshe uthi sehlile isibalo sabantu abaphangalale ezingozini zomgwaqo okwamanje uma qhathaniswa nesangonyaka oyedlule. eGauteng Bangu 187 abantu asebephangalele emgwaqeni, kulandela eMpumalanga ngo81, kugcine iLimpopo ngabantu abangu88. KwaZulu-Natal okwamanje sisephansi isibalo sabantu asebephangalele emgwaqeni ngesikhathi samaholide.
719 fatalities have been recorded in the first 3 weeks of the 2023-24 festive season compared to 751 in the same period last year. And that therefore means that we have reduced the numbers by 32 fatalities.
Uthi baningi abantu asebephule umthetho selokhu kuqale amaholide.
The highest speed was recorded on the R21 in Gauteng, where a motorist was stopped while traveling at 206 kilometers per hour.
Kusenjalo bekuminyene untshumo esikhumulweni samabhasi eGoli abantu belibangise emakhaya. Bathi banethemba lokuthi abashayeli bazoyiphatha kahle emgwaqeni.
Ngisuthi ngibe nohambo oluhle, uma ngiyekhaya ngibe nokhisimuzi omuhle, ngize ngiphinda futhi ngibuye ngiseGoli, ngayitholanga into ekuthiwa ingozi endleleni.
Njalo ekhaya. So I know it will be a wonderful Christmas because my family are waiting.
Ziqinile ezokuphepha emgwaqeni onguthela wayeka uN1 njengoba abantu belibangise emakhaya enyakatho yezwe. Kucelwa abashayeli ukuthi babekezelelane.
We are doing sort of campaigns and awareness. We talk to our motorists to be more patient and to be more responsible because road safety starts with them.
Sekubanjwe izivimbamgwaqo ezingu-423 ezweni lonke, kwakhishwa incwadi zokwephula umthetho ezingu-173,307, kwashaqwa imoto ezingu-2,619, kwaboshwa abashayeli abangu-3,573.